Hey, good morning, 8th graders. I am coming to you to let you know what you need to do for U.S. history class. Some of you might have my class on Monday. Some of you might have my class on Tuesday, but this is what we are tackling today. I am ready for a new week. I have my smoothie and I have my Diet Mountain Dew. So I hope you two are ready to tackle what God has in store for us this week. All right, I'm pretty sure that my directions posted in Classroom are self-explanatory, but I want to go through them with you. So first of all, I hope you've started by watching this instructional video, and then what you are going to do is you're going to read the middle of page, or read pages 42 to the middle of 45. It's the lesson entitled Spain in America. So everybody's getting a taste of all of the things that they can discover in the New World, and everybody wants in on it. So we're going to see Spain really take off, and lots of different explorers and conquistadors that are just motivated to get their claim to fame. So you're going to read about a bunch of those guys today. In the middle of page 45, if you look, there's a blue little title called Progress Check. That is where you're going to stop, okay? Now, I don't want you just to read blindly. Number 2 says, as you read, answer questions 1 through 6 from Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Spain, America, that is posted in Classroom. So, you will find this assignment posted in Classroom. The first question asks you, what is a conquistador, and what happens if he failed? So what I'd like you to do is start reading on page 42 until you find that answer. And as you're reading, that's what your brain is listening for, okay? That's the macaroni that your brain wants. And when you come across that, hopefully the bell in your head goes ding, 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 ding. That's my answer, because that's an active mind as you read, and you can go ahead and write in that answer. Then read the next question and read until you find that. It gives you purpose for reading. Your mind is activated. Ding, ding, ding. There it is. So continue on doing that for these 6 questions through the middle of page 45. Then if you go back to your checklist, the next thing it has you do is watch the following video about Hernando de Soto. And in the first column of the chart, write 5 bullets of macaroni. What did you learn about him? What did you learn about his expedition of the Southwest United States? Here is the link, okay, and it's going to take you to this site. Here is the link, but you might have to, this is important, you might have to log in order to get access to the video on the site. So your username is WPopma. Did you know my first name is Wendy? Okay, so W is my first initial, Popma is my last name, and then the password is Chargers 2020. Okay, so watch it. I think it's about 5 minutes long, and give me 5 bullets about what you learned about Hernando de Soto. Okay, same thing. There's a short video about Coronado. It's about 4 minutes. So in the second column of the chart, sorry, I should show you the chart. It's below question 6. So here goes your De Soto notes. Make a bulleted list here as you watch that video. Here are your Coronado notes. Make a bulleted list there. All right. And then you do not need to submit your assignment. You don't need to submit this because we're going to finish the second part of the lesson on Wednesday. But you may want to mark this as done just so it doesn't come up as a missing assignment. So this particular thread you can mark as done. Then finally, remember your Christopher Columbus timeline is due on Wednesday before break. Most of you were on class on Friday, so I think you understand what you need to do. But if you were not in class on Friday, you didn't look at your assignment yet, you can watch my video here explaining what you need to do for that. All right? So that is what you need to do for U.S. history class. I'm bummed that you're not here, but I'm also thankful that we can connect this way. Please do not hesitate to ask me questions via email. We can set up a Google Meet if you would like to do that. But please reach out if you have questions. I'd love to help. Have a great Monday, Chargers, or Tuesday, depending on when you have this class. See you guys.